Good morning, Rajah Scholars and Champions. This is Tuesday, September 1st, and Mr. Lawson here in the office with today's Rajah Report. First, let's start off with some happy birthdays and then some kudos. We want to say a September 1st happy birthday to Kimberly Cruz, Michael Marquez Alvarado, Angela Patino Ortiz, Gabriel Valenzuela Duran, Michelle Juarez, Perla Beltran Talavera, Valeria Fuentes, and to three of our staff members, Miss Sandra Vaca, Carlos Gomez, and Miss Evelyn Jeffredo. Happy birthday to all of you. We hope that this month brings you great happiness as you celebrate your special day today. And we have some kudos to give. As I share with you each and every day, we want to say Rajah that for spreading positivity, respect, integrity, determination, and excellence. And boy, do we have some excellence to share. This spring, we had several students take the advanced placement test, and this is in our newsletter, and I have to give some shout outs. We had one student who passed 5 AP tests. Kushi Patel passed 5 advanced placement tests, and Mildred Torres and Yareth Soto passed 3 AP tests. That is an amazing accomplishment. And then congratulations to Ariana Castaneda Guite, Johnny Castro, Gerardo Graciano, Martha Montejano, Sarah Munoz, Angelica Robledo, Brandy Sepulveda, and Alexandra Zamudio for passing 2 advanced placement tests. And as you see on the screen, we have a full page of students who passed at least one of their advanced placement tests. What an amazing accomplishment, and we're very proud of all of you for demonstrating that Rajah excellence. Don't forget, tonight we have our first grab and go. This is tonight from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Remember to bring your ID card. The books that we have are Math 1, Math 2, World History CP, and U.S. History CP. We will email you once we know the books for Thursday night. We're doing another grab and go Thursday, but it will be for different books. So tonight, if you need Math 1, Math 2, World History, U.S. History, tonight is your night. Come from 5 o'clock to 7 with your ID card. Also, we want to send a reminder out. Math Club sent me another thing to share with you this time. Their Google Classroom code is listed there in the center of the page, KKCTGSV. They also are on Remind and Instagram. I shared the Instagram yesterday, but here is the Google Classroom code so that you can be a part of joining Math Club. And while we're at it, don't forget that today Interact is having their Zoom meeting at lunch. I shared yesterday what Interact is all about. Today is their Zoom meeting at lunch. Remember, if you join that Google Classroom code, right up above me, you'll see the classroom code is CTHIMEN. If you join that, it will give you directions for joining that Zoom class at lunch. So if you want to be part of developing leadership skills and service above self, this is the club for you. And also, if you have been a change maker and offered community service and volunteerism, here is an opportunity for you to be recognized. This page here has information. If you go to the school-wide Google Classroom, the ones that I created, in there is the page that you can print out or look at that has the directions for applying. The application is online. Once you do that, then it will forward it to me. We will then make our school selections of who we are recognizing as our school volunteers, and you compete for the state. And then from the state, it goes for national competition. Last year, we had 2 of our students, Samantha Ramirez and Aaron Delgado, who were not only recognized in California, but were considered for national. We were very, very proud of being able to have them nominated from our school. So we would love to see that happen for you. So be sure and check that out in the school-wide Google Classroom under notifications. And if you haven't yet, we're up to about 1,300 students so far. So we have about 700 of you left. Don't forget, this is the second Google Classroom that I had to add because I could only have 1,000 in each one. So they're both identical. I update them with everything the same. This is the Google Classroom code so that you can be part of the school-wide classroom and get important applications, notifications, and things that you need. And now for our joke of the day. Thank you, Mr. Brenner, for sending me a science joke. I don't know if it was one that you found or one that a student gave to you, but this one's from Mr. Brenner, and it's a science one. So why can't you trust what an atom says? because he makes up everything. Good one. Courtesy clap, courtesy clap. Our final thought for the day, mistakes are proof that you are trying. Remember, whenever you learn something for the first time, and we don't call it failure, we just call it a mistake. I remember learning how to ride a bike, and I fell several times, got a scraped knee, but I finally got the hang of it. I remember learning how to skate and rollerblade, and I remember falling several times, but pretty soon I got the hang of it, and then I was able to rollerblade pretty well. I remember learning to play tennis, and I couldn't serve at all. But as I tried often, more and more, I finally got the hang of it. So mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. So I want you to keep trying. While you're learning right now all these new things in your classrooms, don't get discouraged if you're struggling with something, and don't quit, and don't give up, and don't lose your determination. When you make a mistake, that's when you say to your teacher, I didn't get this yet. I need help. Don't say, oh, I failed, I'm giving up. The right answer is, I haven't figured this out yet. I need some more explanation, or I need some help. And keep trying, and you'll get it. That's what's important. Always having an A the first time means maybe we haven't challenged you enough. We want to stretch you and help you grow and learn new things. And we don't want learning to always be simple and easy. We want it to be hard and make that brain of yours really learn how to think critically and creatively and to develop well. With that, I want to say, be kind to one another, stay classy, Indio, and we will see you tomorrow.